Has NASA been pulling the wool over our eyes all these years? Welcome, fellow seekers of truth, to a thrilling exploration of the enigmatic world of NASA. Today, we're delving into the fascinating dichotomy between NASA facts and conspiracies. Let's start with a trip down memory lane, back to July 20th, 1969. We all know the story: Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, and the Apollo 11 moon landing. A historic achievement watched by an estimated 530 million viewers worldwide. Yet some claim it was all an elaborate hoax, a grand performance directed by none other than Stanley Kubrick. Could it be true, or is it just a fantastical tale spun by those who question everything? And what about the whispers of secret space missions? Rumors of clandestine operations and hidden agendas that stretch far beyond what we see on our television screens. Could NASA have been conducting covert space missions all along, unbeknownst to the public eye? In this journey, we'll dissect these riveting theories, using the scalpel of hard facts and data to separate fact from fiction. We'll shine a light on the undeniable evidence that debunks some of these tantalizing tales. But don't worry, conspiracy enthusiasts, we'll also leave some mysteries unsolved, leaving the door wide open for speculation and imagination. So, prepare to question what you thought you knew. It's time to don your detective hats and join us on this cosmic ride. We're about to navigate the labyrinth of NASA's most enthralling narratives. So, buckle up as we blast off into a universe of intrigue and discovery. Did man really walk on the moon, or was it an elaborate hoax? Let's dive into one of the most popular conspiracy theories: the moon landing hoax. This theory suggests that the historic Apollo 11 moon landing on July 20th, 1969, was nothing more than a grand deception. A spectacle orchestrated right here on Earth. One of the key arguments offered by skeptics is the American flag planted by astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. In the iconic footage, the flag appears to flap, suggesting the presence of wind, an impossibility in the airless lunar environment. Quite a compelling argument, isn't it? But hold your horses, because science has an explanation. You see, the flag wasn't just any ordinary flag, it was specially constructed to appear as if it were waving in the breeze. The flag had a horizontal rod sewn into its top edge, allowing it to hang freely. The flapping motion caught on camera was simply due to the astronauts' movements as they planted the flagpole into the moon's surface. Once they let go, the flag remained static, just as it would in an airless environment. And what about the claim that acclaimed director Stanley Kubrick was hired to film the landing? This theory, while fascinating, lacks substantial evidence. Kubrick, known for his meticulous attention to detail, would have left no room for the errors that conspiracy theorists point out in the moon landing footage. Would a man of his caliber really overlook something as basic as the flag's motion? So the moon landing wasn't a Hollywood production after all. It was a genuine achievement, a testament to human ingenuity and the limitless possibilities of space exploration. But don't let this debunking discourage you. The world of conspiracy theories is vast and full of mysteries. After all, where's the fun without a little speculation? Are astronauts conducting secret missions in space unbeknownst to us? Now there's a question that gets the wheels of imagination spinning. This conspiracy theory suggests that NASA and other space agencies are sending astronauts on clandestine missions, well beyond the public eye. The intrigue is undeniable. It's a concept that's been explored in countless science fiction novels and films. But let's bring ourselves back down to Earth, or rather, the actual space, and examine the credibility of this claim. For starters, the transparency of NASA's missions is a hard fact to ignore. With live streams of launches, constant updates, and detailed records of every mission, the idea of NASA hiding a secret space mission seems a bit far-fetched. Then, there's the sheer scale of a space mission. It's not something you can easily slip under the radar. The preparation, the manpower, the technology, and the cost. These are things that are hard to hide. Launching a spacecraft is a colossal undertaking, not to mention the astronomical cost that's associated with it. And let's not forget about the International Space Station, our ever-watchful eye in the sky. With astronauts from various nations living and working there, it would be nearly impossible to launch a secret mission without someone noticing. Moreover, the global network of amateur astronomers is another factor to consider. These dedicated stargazers spend countless hours observing the heavens, often capturing images of satellites, space debris, and yes, even the ISS. If there were secret missions being launched, it's highly likely that one of these keen observers would spot something out of the ordinary, So, while the idea of secret space missions may be thrilling, the evidence strongly suggests otherwise. It seems these theories are rooted more in the realm of science fiction than in the world of actual space exploration. Looks like the secret space missions are more science fiction than fact. Is NASA hiding evidence of extraterrestrial life? It's a question that has captured the imaginations of millions, sparking heated debates and spawning countless conspiracy theories. But is there any truth to these claims, or are they simply the product of overactive imaginations? The main argument behind this conspiracy theory is that NASA, being at the forefront of space exploration, has stumbled upon evidence of alien life but chooses to keep it under wraps. However, the question begs, why would an organization dedicated to the pursuit of knowledge actively suppress such a groundbreaking discovery? Moreover, consider the sheer number of people involved in NASA's operations. With thousands of scientists, engineers, and other personnel, maintaining such a colossal secret would be an improbable feat. In the words of Dr. Simon Foster, a physicist at Imperial College London, you would have at least one whistleblower, but there's no credible evidence. Furthermore, the scientific consensus holds that life as we know it requires specific conditions: a habitable zone, water, and suitable atmospheric conditions, just to name a few. While the discovery of exoplanets in habitable zones and water on Mars are exciting developments, they are far from definitive proof of extraterrestrial life. NASA's ongoing search for life beyond Earth is focused on places where these conditions exist, or once existed. It's also worth mentioning that NASA has never shied away from sharing the potential for extraterrestrial life. In fact, they've been quite vocal about their efforts to search for it, from the Mars rovers to the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope. So, while it's tantalizing to imagine that NASA is guarding secrets of alien encounters, the lack of credible evidence, combined with the practical and scientific challenges, makes this theory appear more fictional than factual. So it seems we're still alone in the universe, at least for now. So, what have we learned from our journey through the cosmos of conspiracy? In our exploration, we've unraveled some of the most intriguing NASA conspiracy theories. We've revisited the Apollo 11 moon landing, a historic achievement witnessed by an estimated 530 million viewers worldwide. Despite theories suggesting it was all a grand act staged by the likes of Stanley Kubrick, we found that scientific reasoning and evidence debunk these claims. The American flag's appearance, the lack of stars in images, and objects visible in shadow all have logical explanations grounded in science. We've delved into the whispers of secret space missions, the clandestine voyages that some believe NASA has been orchestrating behind the scenes. While these tales make for exciting speculation, it's essential to remember that without solid evidence, they remain just that: speculation. We've also peered into the enigma of the alleged alien cover-up. Extraterrestrial life is a tantalizing concept, but again, hard facts and data are paramount. Until we have definitive proof, these theories remain in the realm of the unconfirmed. Throughout our journey, we've underscored the importance of critical thinking and reliance on facts and data. Conspiracy theories can be entertaining and thought-provoking, but they can also spread misinformation and undermine genuine scientific achievements. It's crucial to discern between what's possible and what's probable, between intrigue and evidence. So as we conclude our cosmic adventure, let's remember to apply these lessons to future explorations, be it of the universe around us or the internet's vast expanse. Let's continue to question, to probe, to seek out the truth. Remember, the universe is full of mysteries, but not every mystery is a conspiracy. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep your feet on the ground even as your mind soars among the stars.